There is one important point to remember in all action that leads to success. Do not get yourself in the frame of mind where you feel action is based on necessity. It's possible under pressure to spur yourself on to do things, but you seldom reach great heights of accomplishment that way. Your work is not as good as it might be because you've taken no real pleasure in doing it. In order to achieve true success, you must reach the state of consciousness in which all of your actions are based upon a desire to act and not upon a sudden spur of willpower. Seneca, the Roman philosopher, crystallized this thought in a single sentence when he said, "The greater part of progress is the desire to progress." No matter what kind of work you do, don't pursue it primarily because of an urge to make money. It is far better to continue a certain line of endeavor because you enjoy doing it. The money, plenty of it, will come as a natural result of good work well done.